Hello guys, it's Dale here. In yesterday's video we were talking about the Euro-Swiss franc, about a swing trading idea on the Euro-Swiss franc, and we are talking about an idea on a daily time frame. What I want to do today is do an intraday analysis of the Euro-Swiss franc, and for that reason what I have here is a 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame is the time frame that I prefer for my intraday trading analysis, and that's the time frame that we are going to be using today. So this is the Euro-Swiss franc 30-minute time frame, and what I want to talk about in here is my favorite volume profile setup. It is called the volume accumulation setup, and it formed on the Euro-Swiss franc just recently. So let me show you. The first thing to notice here is this rotation from which very strong and aggressive sell-off started. This is what you want to see first when you're looking for the volume accumulation setup, right? You want to see rotation, and from the rotation you want to see a strong trend starting, like in here. What you want to do next is you want to use a flexible volume profile over the rotation area, like this, to see the volume distribution. You want to see massive volumes accumulated within the rotation. Now those volumes are a sign of strong institutional activity. And in this case, because there was a strong downtrend, we can tell that sellers, strong institutional sellers, were active in here in this rotation, right? They were building up their short positions in here, and afterwards they manipulated the price into the downtrend. So that downtrend is actually telling us that those volumes were sellers, right? Before that, before the downtrend, we didn't really know. There's not really a way of telling, right? So now we know that big institutional traders are placing their shorts in here, and even though the price is currently right there, this remains a strong resistance, right? That heavy volume zone begins at 0.9856. That's the resistance. When the price makes a pullback to that resistance at some point in the future, it doesn't need to be today or tomorrow, it doesn't even need to be this week, but when the price makes it back to this resistance, then it is likely that the sellers from this place will want to defend this heavy volume zone, which is clearly important for them because they placed a lot of their shorts there, and those guys will want to push the price downwards from there again, right? To defend their shorts, to defend this important zone. So that's why it should work as a strong resistance. Now there's also one more thing apart from the volume accumulation setup, and that is a VWAP setup. Now the VWAP is this yellow line, and those two gray lines, those are the deviations. And now the price tends to react to those deviations, to those gray lines, especially when you combine it with a heavy volume zone. So like in here we have heavy volume zone and first deviation being very close to that heavy volume zone. If it's like that, then the first deviation of the VWAP adds strength to that volume-based level, right? Now, as you can see, the first deviations are moving, so it's not guaranteed that when there is that pullback, the first deviation will still be around that volume-based level. But if it is around, then it will be a nice confluence, right? It will add strength to that resistance. Something like in here, by the way. There is a heavy volume cluster and also a VWAP. So currently, it seems that the price is reacting to this volume cluster and to the first deviation of a VWAP in here. This seems to be the reaction now. So that's the sort of a combo I was talking about in here, in this area. All right. So yeah, that's for the Euro-Swiss franc. If you guys would like to learn more about trading with volume profile and VWAP, if you would also like to trade alongside me every day, then what I recommend is visiting my website. This is it. This is the website, trader-dale.com. And what I recommend is going to trading course and tools. So you click this button and it will take you to a page you scroll down a bit, and what I recommend is getting the Elite Pack. There's a video which shows everything that's included in the Elite Pack. In short, the Elite Pack includes 15-hour-long video course on trading with volume profile. It includes my personal trading levels. Those are levels that I trade each day and that I publish in my members area. Those are intraday trading levels as well as swing trading levels. Now, the Elite Pack also includes volume profile pack, which is pack of my custom-made volume profile indicators, and also a couple of bonuses. Now, at top of that, the Elite Pack also includes free tech support for Elite Pack members, and this means that our team will set up the NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all my indicators. They will also load up my workspaces that I use. They'll connect you to data feed, and they'll do it all for free, as that's part of the service we provide to the Elite Pack members. Alright, so this is what I recommend getting. Currently we are running an Independence Day sale, which means that you can get the Elite Pack 50% discounted. You can get it in here. Alright, so yeah, that's for that. That's for the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. Until then, happy trading!